absolutely amazing room in Mendoza, Argentina. There's a little table, sink, hot plate. Bathroom is quite nice too. Lovely. I do declare I have a little bit of a problem. So, oops, I have this little fixation with Starbucks mugs. Wherever I go in the world, I seem compelled to buy a Starbucks mug from there if they have a Starbucks. And so I now have, so far on this trip, 6 Starbucks mugs. I already have boxes of these damn things in storage. I have a whole lot at home. But there's still so many countries to visit and so many more places you've been to in the world, mugs. Maybe one day they'll be worth something. But at the moment, I've got to try and think about how to fit all of this into my luggage. I'm supposed to be traveling light. I think I may need an intervention. Seems funny coming from Norwegian summer and yeah, straight into Argentinian winter. Hello. Hello. Hi. Had to come and look at your rugby shop. Don't think I need a gun, but oh, these knives look quite cool. Look at these ones. Must be a hunting kind of shop.
Te desvestiste, lo hicimos en la habitación, qué rico mami, pero en cosas del amor mucho fallaba. No veía nada, mi amor, algo esperaba de tu mirada. Perdidos, sé lo que siento, pero tú no. Nos entendemos haciendo el amor. No hay nada más que eso, estamos perdidos, perdidos. Yo no sé ya si fue algo más que el placer. que te gusta, amor de tu vida yo no voy a hacer. Dame una noche, te voy a demostrar que soy el pecado que amas cometer. Chica, y si tú quisieras una sola vez conmigo.
Sitting on a park bench here in Mendoza, and it's quite quiet, it's quite deserted. It's 11 o'clock in the morning and there's hardly anybody around, so either everybody's employed and is at work, or everybody had a big night last night and is still sleeping. Couple of mothers with some kids, but it's not really a bustling place. There's nobody. Quite a few shops are still closed, so interesting, very relaxed environment.
Que quería, no eran besos ni poesía. Chica, y si tú quisieras una sola vez conmigo, hay que ser claro lo que quieres, bebé. Ya pasó tu.
I have to say, this was not what I was expecting. I was not expecting to see a menorah in the middle of Mendoza. Interesting. These tree-lined streets are just stunning.
No hay nada más que eso, estamos perdidos, perdidos.
Might have to stop here later. Last year's Mediterranean holidays left me addicted to gelato. I have to wonder at the size of doors. In Spanish colonial times, I mean, were Spanish so tall that they needed these huge doors? Mendoza is finally waking up. Spot my addiction up ahead. There is Starbucks. There are lots and lots of different tour places where you can take
Hacer rafting.
tours by locals, wine tours. Yeah, you can sort out your own tours. You don't necessarily have to go with a tour group.